Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hunger the Healthy Hunt. This is Christmas season. Let me explain you how to prepare a cute Christmas tree out of popsicle sticks. It is really simple yet very attractive. Shall we start? All that you need is 4 popsicle sticks, 3 of same color and 1 of different color for the base, and 1 foam sheet to make a star, and few color demacol balls or white stones, whatever decoration items you have. Then 1 thin rope to tie and hang it, and then scissor and glue. Take the ice cream sticks of the same color and make it into a triangle shape like this. That is, you have to take each stick and cut the corners and make shape like this. Then I am going to stick these sticks to the base. Like this. You have to leave some space for holding at the bottom, and then you can stick these sticks. Apply glue in the middle of each stick and paste it here. Let it dry, and meanwhile we can paste the thread and star. I have cut star shape out of that foam sheet. We can paste it using the glue. Apply glue generously so that the thread sticks firmly. Now let the star dry. Meanwhile we can paste all these stones, decorative items over here. We can use whatever color and whatever decorative items you like. If you have stones, pearls, or even stars, anything you can use. Now we can paste the demacol balls. Either you can use a normal demacol ball, or I have used glittered demacol ball. Now I am going to paste a big ball in the center. I am going to make it more decorative by using white stones. So I have pasted white stones over these sides and then even in the corners of the red star. Doesn't it look so attractive? And now our Christmas tree is ready. We can hang it either in our Christmas tree or even in any hangings available at our home, or even in the fridge. You can stick these using the double tape in the fridge. You can make lot of Christmas trees like this with multiple combinations of your own choice, and you can hang it in your kids' room. It will be so attractive and so easy to make. Merry Christmas friends. Have a nice day. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, do subscribe and hit the bell button for more such videos. Thank you.